Hi guys, it's me, Ayana. Yes, you're correct. Today, we're going to be continuing the lesson from Apostrophes. Yes. And in my last video, I did about if the owner is singular. But today I'll be doing I'll be doing if the owner is plural in this lesson. So that basically comes under apostrophes of possession. Okay, so I'll be doing you a review in singular order. So yes, let's get started. Okay. So if we take an example like this, the book belonging. Can you see? Okay, to the girl. How do you write this? Using apostrophes. Any idea? Yes, you're correct. You can write this in 2 words, okay? Using apostrophes. Now, you write something like this using apostrophes, you need to write it like this. Girls and book. Okay? Make sure all the time, if the owner is singular, you put the the apostrophe before the S. Okay? But you put the apostrophe before the S only if it's singular, if the owner is singular. But now, if the owner is plural, what do we do? You might have a question with that. Well, that's why I'm here. Gonna teach you. So basically, I'll be just answering your question. Okay. When the owner is plural. You can use this in 2 ways. This also can be divided into 2 ways. Okay? Sorry, my markers are not that good these days. Okay? So this can be divided, like I said. Now you can see. So this part is making a word plural by adding adding S or ES. Okay, this is one. We'll be learning. The other thing is making I'll come to this side so that you can see this part till I write this up. Making a word, okay, a word plural by adding, by slightly changing it, okay? Now, you might notice this. Sometimes certain words are changed into plural form by adding S or ES, but some words are changed into plural, changing the word slightly. For example, for this here, if I give an example, making a word plural by adding s or es. If we take bag, okay, to turn it to plural, you use it as bags. So in that case, s is added to make it plural. This is a singular form. This is a plural form. Okay? So some words are turned into plural by adding s or es. Okay? So such as bag and bags. Now the next one, I'll just be here. Making a word plural by slightly changing it. Meaning, for an example, if we say man, the plural form of this is men. Right? Okay? So man is a singular form and men is a plural form. So basically, if you're this is by making a word by adding a word plural by adding s or es. But this is slightly changing the word to make it plural. Okay? So this is the first one we're going to be learning about. Okay. Whew, when I read a lot, I have to rub like mad, don't I? Okay? So, if we take an example, the tails. Can you see the board? Yes, this one marker. Okay, the tails. Okay, the tails belonging to the cats. Okay. So now, the tails belonging to the cats. Since this owner is plural, you cannot say the tails belonging to the cat. Do you? You do not say the tails belonging to the cat just because this is plural. Right? That's slightly wrong. So since you have an S here, you don't need to add another one. Okay? You just keep the S. You don't say cat. Do you? Doesn't make sense. Cat. If someone came over and told cat, the cat's tails, you'll be like, what? Tails? You know, it doesn't make sense. So don't make that mistake. Okay? We'll be looking at another example. If we say the buttons. Okay. Oh, sorry, I couldn't teach you what is the whole point of it. Okay? Here, when we add s or es and make a word plural, you basically need to add the apostrophe after the word. So basically, if we say bags, you need to add the apostrophe after the s. Okay? Okay, so, yes, bags. So remember that. The buttons. The buttons belonging. I know my handwriting is not that good, but anyway. Okay? Belonging to the bags. Basically say bag. No, you say bags, correct. Say bags. Bags, buttons. Okay? I know my markers are not that good, but anyway. Okay? So now we'll be looking. So remember that rule. If you're making a word plural by adding s or es, make sure that you put the apostrophe after the s. Okay? And the other one is if you are making a word plural by slightly changing it, such as man into men. Okay, here the word has slightly changed. You can't say mans, can you? Does that make sense? So you basically need to say men. So basically you've changed the whole word. Slightly changed it. Now, if we take another example, the men's. What's wrong with these? Men's. I won't add the apostrophe because I'm gonna do it later with you. The men's cats. Okay. Since this owner is plural and to make it plural, it is slightly changed. You do not add the apostrophe here after this. Okay? Even though it's plural, you need to add the apostrophe before the s because the word is slightly changed to make it plural. Okay? Yes, so yeah, that's it for today, and yes. Bye-bye, and see you in my next video. Oh, and please, if you like my video, remember to put a like at the bottom, or subscribe my channel, or you can leave a comment. Okay, so bye-bye, see you in my next video.